Welcome everyone. Welcome to this channel, my channel, your channel, our channel, Learning with Itishree, and this is Itishree. How are you all? Hope all are well and good. Okay, let's start today's point of discussion. Okay, let's start. Okay, how do we express ourselves? What do we use to express ourselves? आमे निजको केमिति परिप्रकाश करू बा आमे परिप्रकाश करिबा पई कोन व्यवहार करू? What do we use to express ourselves? So to express ourselves we use language, and the language may be of body language. We create some sound, we speak or write. We speak or write. And when we speak or write anything, we use sentences. Many types of sentences. Yes. So today our topic is types of sentences. Our topic is types of sentences. Okay, types of sentences, that is the chapter 2 of class 10 English grammar book. Okay, now look at these sentences. Number 1, Mr. Ashok Das is a teacher. Mr. Ashok Das is a teacher. He teaches us English. He teaches us English. And the third one is he has been teaching English for the last 5 years. In these sentences, what do we see? Is a verb, teaches is the verb, and here has been teaching is the verb phrase. Now what is here? Is the verb, teaches, and in this verb phrase has. Is, teaches and has, they are finite verbs. They are finite verbs. Is, teaches and has, they are finite verbs. Why they are finite verbs? Because they carry the tense of the sentences. Is, teaches, has, they carry the tense of the sentences. They are the tense carrier. So they are called finite verbs. A finite verb is the first verb of any verb phrase. First verb. Here is single verb. Here is single verb. But in this sentence, has been teaching is a verb phrase. And the first verb is the finite verb. All these are finite verb because they can be changed into past tense forms. They carries the tense of the sentence. So they are finite verbs. So on the basis of the finite verb, we can say that all these sentences each has a finite clause. A clause. So a clause. Now what is clause now? A clause has a subject. Mr. Ashok Das is subject here. He is subject here. He is subject here. So a clause has a subject and a verb in the predicate part, and that may form a complete sentence. A complete sentence we can say has independent finite clause. So a complete sentence we can say that we can say that it is simple sentence. So we have types of sentences. We have 3 types of sentences. One is simple sentences. Second one is compound sentences. And the third one is complex sentences. So today we only discuss simple sentences. Okay, today the point of our discussion is simple sentence only. Okay, let's see these sentences. Cuckoo is singing. The cuckoo is singing. The second one is the cuckoo singing in that tree. Third one is listen to the cuckoo's song. Fourth one is how beautifully the cuckoo is singing. Okay. The first one is a normal sentence, common sentence. There is a full stop in the end of the sentence. And in the second sentence, there is a question mark in the end of the sentence. And here, that is the third sentence, the listen to the cuckoo's song. Here, the subject is not mentioned. Let's discuss. Then how beautifully the cuckoo is singing. Here is a exclamation mark. Okay. So, first sentence we can say that is declarative sentence. And the second sentence, there is a question mark in the end of the sentence, that is interrogative sentence. And the third one, that is called imperative sentence. And the fourth one, that is called exclamatory sentence. So, what we get? The simple sentences, what we get? Simple sentence can be of 4 types. 4 kinds. One, that is declarative. The cuckoo is singing. Normal sentence. There is a full stop in the end of the sentence. That is declarative sentence or statement sentence. Or we can say statement sentence. And the second one is interrogative. What is that? Interrogative. That means when we ask any question, there is a question mark in the end of the sentence. That sentence is called interrogative sentence. And the third one is imperative sentence. When we order, we request, we suggest anything, such type of sentence, that is called imperative sentence. And the fourth one is exclamatory sentence. When we express our feelings, that is exclamatory sentence. How beautifully the cuckoo is singing. How beautifully the cuckoo is singing. How beautiful that flower is. How blue the sky is. All in these sentences we express our feeling. That is exclamatory sentence. So in simple sentence that may be of 4 kinds. What we get? 4 kinds of simple sentences. We get 4 kinds of simple sentences. That is, first one is declarative, interrogative, imperative and exclamatory. Okay. So this much for today. Thank you.